Wajir police sent off 34 Ethiopian illegal immigrants who have completed 4-month sentence back home. The immigrants, 26 male and 9 female, were arrested early this year for being in the country illegally. They were arrested at the border of Wajir in Ethiopia, where it is said that they had arrived in the country to seek employment. They boarded a Kenya police lorry to be transported to Moyale border.
Today is their date due, so we are releasing. We have organized so that they can be taken back to their home of origin, that is Ethiopia. They were here for a period of 1 month, and now they have completed their sentence. We have repatriated 35 aliens to the police department so that they can be taken back to their country of origin.